What's going on, guys? Welcome back to this channel that's all about architecture, engineering, and construction. Okay, yes, it's really been a long time, yeah, and yeah, work can get really busy here, and we have to give priority at least to the projects that we are running, and also the clients that we actually have. But whenever we have the time, we always come here and share with you information that's all about architecture, engineering, and construction. So the reason why I'm here is basically to let you know about the few reshuffles that we're actually going to be having on this channel, okay? Because we've not been very consistent with time. So if you've been following this channel for quite some time, you realize that we've been bringing to you information that is related to architecture, engineering, and construction. And this information has kind of been random. So we want to be a bit more consistent and a bit more orderly in how we actually bring on this information. And one of the ways we're actually going to do it is that we're going to be having monthly sessions and also quarterly sessions. When I say quarterly sessions, I mean every 3 months. Of course, I'm not trying to say that we will not be giving you that random information about construction, where we come here and tell you basically things that you need to know about architecture, engineering, and construction. Yeah, but this time we have certain fixed things that are going to be there at least every month and at least every quarterly. So for example, every month we are going to be bringing to you a review of just one of the designs projects that that we have done during that specific month. Okay, so the things that we look at in that project is that we'll be bringing you 3D videos, okay, through that project, and also explaining to you the different considerations that we've actually considered to come up with such projects. Okay, yeah, and I think that will help you to give you an insight of the things that you actually need to consider when you are actually having your project to be designed. Okay, of course, all the projects we bring here. Of course, we might have many projects that we've done during that month, but we cannot be able to actually bring them all on the channel. Okay, because not all the clients actually are okay with their projects being used on the channel as examples. Okay, some clients just like to keep it private. We do work for them and they just keep the work and reserve it, and they don't want us to use it on any of our media platforms, which is really okay. But of course, the ones that we'll be sharing are the ones where we have consent from the client, where the client is okay with us to share with you how the considerations that we did actually to come up with all those things. That is actually going to help. Okay, and then quarterly we are going to be bringing for you projects that we are quarterly. What I mean quarterly is that every 3 months. Okay, so every 3 months you're going to be bringing for you the progress of the at least one or two of the construction projects that we are handling. Now the reasons why we are making this time longer for construction projects, why it will be taking us 3 months to at least bring for you the progress of a construction project, is because construction projects actually take longer to materialize than design projects. Okay, for example, if we are to do it every month, a month is not enough for us to show considerable progress to you here. Okay, it's best for us to consider a certain length of time where you can actually see the progress of the project as it actually goes on. Okay, of course, those that run faster, we might be able to come here on the channel and also bring them to you and show you how it's progressing from the design stage up to the construction stage up to completion. And also some projects are actually just moving around in phases. So it might take actually much longer than 3 months, but at least every 3 months we'll be giving you the progress of the projects that we'll be handling at every specific time. Okay, so that you guys can walk through with us the journey as we do the construction projects. And then so we are doing all that, and we hope it will be helpful to you, and it will also help us to relate better with you in the long run, at least. Otherwise, I hope you guys enjoy it. So for now, we are going to be sharing with you one of the projects that we're actually working on. It's basically a 5-bedroom house. Okay, it's seated on on 100 by 100 plot that is 30 meters by 30 meters. Okay, now this one we've done the compound already. Yet we've done the exterior already. The interior we're still developing it. So we are basically in the completion stages of the project. That is in the design stage. Okay, so we prepared for you just a few preliminary videos that can walk you through the project. Of course, we'll be sharing some few things about the plan here and there. No, all that will be in the short walkthrough video that you're going to watch just after this talking. Just after this talking. Okay. So you guys, let me know in the comment section what you think about the project, what you would have done differently, and all that. And also, please remember to subscribe, remember to like the video, remember to share the video. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much for following. Thank you very much for enjoying. I remain DaWinmôi. Otherwise, you guys, please enjoy the video.